Welcome to Review Lab. The best pool table with ping pong top is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving game room additions you can make, offering the dual enjoyment of billiards and table tennis in a single, cleverly designed unit, perfect for transforming any living space into an entertainment hub for friends and family alike. Number 5. NIBIRU Sport Professional Ping Pong Paddle Sets. Introducing the NIBIRU Sport Professional Ping Pong Paddle Sets, your ultimate companion for table tennis fun. This comprehensive set is designed for players of all levels, offering quality and performance in every match. This professional set includes 4 high-quality table tennis rackets and 8 tournament-grade balls. It also comes with a convenient carrying case, making it easy to take your game anywhere. Crafted with 5 layers of durable, crack-resistant wood, each paddle offers exceptional performance. The flared handle ensures a comfortable, sweat-free grip for enhanced control during intense rallies. Designed to withstand rigorous play, these paddles feature securely attached rubber padding for longevity. The spongy, inverted surface provides excellent spin, elevating your game on any table. Enjoy exciting matches whether you're playing indoors or outdoors. This versatile set is perfect for both children and adults, making it ideal for family fun or competitive play. Included are 8 3-star table tennis balls made from durable 40mm ABS material. They are perfectly suited for beginners, amateurs, and professional players seeking a competitive edge. What we like. This set offers a complete package with multiple paddles and balls, perfect for family fun or group play. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand both indoor and outdoor use. If you're looking for a versatile set that can be enjoyed by everyone, anywhere, this is a great choice. What people say. The pool table is a great addition to our game room, and the ping pong top is a fun bonus. We love that this table can be used for both pool and ping pong, saving us space and money. The quality of the pool table is excellent, and the ping pong top fits perfectly. Number 4. Pro Spin Ping Pong Paddle Set. Introducing the Pro Spin Ping Pong Paddle Set, designed for ultimate performance. This complete set includes everything you need to upgrade your game, no matter your skill level. Experience enhanced spin and control with our high-performance paddles featuring a 1.8mm sponge. Each paddle is precision crafted for reliable performance in every match. Enjoy unparalleled comfort with our custom-designed handles. Triple sanded for an ultra-smooth grip, they feel like an extension of your arm, allowing you to play your best. Take your training to the next level with our 3-star Pro Training Ping Pong balls. Built to withstand powerful shots, they are perfect for any practice session or match. This comprehensive set includes premium paddles and top-quality balls, all packed in a compact storage case. It's everything you need for indoor or outdoor play. We stand by our product with a 100% happiness guarantee. If your set doesn't arrive in perfect condition, we'll replace it. Buy with confidence and enjoy risk-free. What we like. Experience enhanced spin and control with these high-performance paddles featuring a specialized sponge and comfortable, smooth handles. They are designed to feel like an extension of your arm for optimal play. If you're an amateur or serious player looking to elevate your game with superior equipment, this set is for you. What people say. The pool table is a great addition to our game room, and the ping pong top is a fun bonus. We love that this table can be used for both pool and ping pong, saving us space and money. The quality of the pool table is excellent, and the ping pong top fits perfectly. Number 3. Pro Spin Portable Ping Pong Set. Bring everyone together with this durable portable ping pong set. It turns any table into a game in seconds, perfect for a quick match wherever you gather. Designed for lasting family fun, these premium paddles offer better control and a comfortable grip. It's quality that feels good and holds up over time. This all-in-one set includes a retractable net, 4 paddles, 6 balls, and a convenient storage case. It's perfect for play at home or on holidays. Bring more laughter and energy to family time with this quick-to-set-up tabletop set. It's a simple way to get everyone moving and enjoying time away from devices. We stand behind every product with our 100% happiness guarantee. If your set doesn't perform as expected, our customer support team will make it right. What we like. Transform any table into an instant game with this portable set, complete with a retractable net that fits most surfaces. It includes everything you need for quick setup and immediate fun. If you want spontaneous game sessions at home, on vacation, or anywhere you gather, this is the perfect solution for family entertainment. What people say. The pool table is a great addition to our game room, and the ping pong top is a fun bonus. We love that this table can be used for both pool and ping pong, saving us space and money. The quality of the pool table is excellent, and the ping pong top fits perfectly. Number 2. GoSports 6, 7, or 8-foot billiards tables. Introducing the GoSports billiards tables, available in 6, 7, or 8-foot sizes. It's the perfect addition to your game room, apartment, or office for instant fun. Forget about complicated setups. This table comes fully assembled and ready to play right out of the box. Just fold out the legs and let the games begin. Everything you need for a game of pool is included. You'll get a full set of regulation balls, 2 cue sticks, chalk, and a felt brush to keep it in top condition. Enjoy competitive games on this mid-size table that's also compact enough to store easily. It's ideal for spaces where a full-size table just won't fit. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame for stability and a premium felt surface for smooth gameplay, this table is designed to last. It even comes with a felt brush for maintenance. For the best experience, we recommend a minimum room size of 13 foot x 16 feet. Shorter cue sticks can be used for slightly smaller spaces. What we like. Enjoy a full billiards experience without the hassle of assembly, as this table is ready to play right out of the box. Its mid-size makes it easy to store while still offering a competitive game. If you desire the classic game of pool in a space-saving design for your game room, apartment, or office, this is an excellent option. What people say. The pool table is a great addition to our game room, and the ping pong top is a fun bonus. We love that this table can be used for both pool and ping pong, saving us space and money. The quality of the pool table is excellent, and the ping pong top fits perfectly. Number 1. Best Choice Products 58 inches Arcade-Style Air Hockey Table. Bring the excitement of the arcade right into your home with this air hockey table. Its powerful motor ensures a smooth and fast-paced game, just like you'd find at your favorite arcade. Crafted with durable composite wood and PVC, this table is designed for stability and longevity. Reinforced corners and sturdy leg support mean it can withstand countless exciting matches. Keep track of every goal with the integrated digital LED scoreboard. It automatically dispenses the puck after each score, keeping the game flowing without interruption. This set comes complete with 2 pucks and pushers, so you can start playing right away. A convenient carrying bag is also included for easy storage and transport. Certified for safety, this air hockey table is perfect for both kids and adults. Enjoy hours of competitive fun in a secure and engaging environment, recommended for ages 8 and up. What we like. Get that authentic arcade feel with a powerful motor that ensures smooth puck glide and an exciting game. The digital scoreboard adds a competitive edge to every match. If you're seeking an engaging and dynamic game for your game room or home that offers high-speed fun and easy scorekeeping, this air hockey table is a fantastic choice. What people say. The pool table is a great addition to our game room, and the ping pong top is a fun bonus. We love that this table can be used for both pool and ping pong, saving us space and money. The quality of the pool table is excellent, and the ping pong top fits perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.